Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to begin the meeting of programming the monthly inventory. These are the instructions that we must take into account for the start of the inventory. The inventory begins from February 23 until February 25. There are 20 auxiliaries, which must be in a single tool. The working day is from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. with an hour lunch. There are 2 breaks of this minute on the morning and another in the afternoon. There are many enlistments must be ready and download for the system on 22 February. There is an urgent delivery that will be notified by mail directly by the supply chain manager. There is an auxiliary available for the dispatch of the requirement. There are 100 deliveries ready. It is very important that the material from the content is with your respective label. There is a scan that is damaged. There are 2 inventory checkers for the notification every 6 hours the advance of the count by mail. There's a 14 available. The operator in warehouse to begin on 26 February. There is only a person authorized to go on early, and he is the system engineer. The cancellation of the inventory will be sent on March 2 before 5 a.m. We record notify the difference that the count generates. I am checking the inventory of my system to download in the afternoon. Thanks to all for having present this instruction, so that the inventory is very positive. Thank you very much.